Hi everyone, this is Teacher Jen from camgush.com and welcome to Essential Grammar in Use book by Raymond Murphy. Today we will answer the exercises on Unit 68. If you can still remember, Unit 68 is a continuation, a discussion about countable and uncountable nouns. Now, let's begin to answer the first exercise. Let's read the direction. What did you buy? Use the pictures to write sentences. Again, as you can see, in this first exercise, there are pictures, and we will use these pictures to write or make sentences about them. Our sentences should begin with the words I bought. I bought. Let's take an example. Number 1. We can see some things in this picture. How can we write or say it in a sentence? Let's read number 1. I bought some perfume, a hat, and some shoes. I bought some perfume, a hat, and some shoes. As you can see here, we used a with the word hat because we used the article a with a singular countable noun. And then also, we used the word some with perfume and shoes. Now, we used some for the word perfume because we have to use the word some plus or together with uncountable noun. Perfume is an uncountable noun. That's why we used some perfume. Now let's go on to some shoes. Shoes is a plural countable noun. So when we're talking about plural countable noun, we have to use the word some. That's why we had this sentence. Now let's go on to number 2. Take a look at the picture. Now, what do you think is our sentence for this? So students, our sentence for number 2 picture is I bought some flowers, a pen, and a newspaper. We used some with flowers because flowers is a plural countable noun. Again, flowers. That is a plural countable noun. That's why we use the word some. Now, with the words pen and newspaper, we use the article a because those nouns or those words are singular countable noun. Now let's go on to picture number 3. What is our sentence for that? Now students, our sentence for number 3 picture is I bought some bread, some postcards, and some stamps. Again, I bought some bread, some postcards, and some stamps. If you have noticed, for all those things, we use the word some. Why? For the bread, bread is an uncountable noun. We have to use some. But there's another way. We can say a loaf of bread. If we will use that, or if we will say that, then we need to use the article a loaf of bread. But we can also use some bread. Now, postcards. Postcards here is a plural countable noun. That's why we used some. Same with stamps. Stamps here is a plural countable noun. Now let's go on to number 4. What is our sentence for this picture? Now for number 4, our sentence is I bought a comb, some toothpaste, and a bar of soap. Again, I bought a comb, some toothpaste, and a bar of soap. We use the article a with the noun comb because comb here is a singular countable noun. Now, when it comes to toothpaste, we used the word some because toothpaste is an uncountable noun. And with the last word or noun, we used or I used a. But with another word, bar. If we will say a bar of soap, then it's acceptable. We can say a bar of soap. We have to use a because it's a singular countable noun. But we can also say some soap. We can also say I bought a comb, some toothpaste, and some soap, because soap is an uncountable noun. Now, let's go on to the next exercise. Let's read the direction. Write sentences with would you like a or would you like some? Again, would you like a or would you like some? We will make question sentences. Now, let's take a look at picture number 1. We can see cheese. What should we say? Of course, would you like some cheese? Would you like some cheese? Now, let's go into number 2. We can see coffee. We can see coffee. What do you think is our question or sentence for that? Of course, we can say, would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? Because coffee is an uncountable noun. But we can say, would you like a cup of coffee? In that case, we can use that because when you say cup of coffee, it's a singular countable noun. Number 3, biscuits. Biscuits. What is our question here? Here, students, we can say, would you like some biscuits? Would you like some biscuits? We used some because here, biscuits is a plural countable noun. Many biscuits. That's why we have to use some. Number 4. What is our question? For number 4, we can say, would you like a piece of bread? Would you like a slice of bread? Or we can also say, would you like some bread? Because like number 3, we can see many slices or pieces of bread, so thus we can consider it as a plural countable noun. But with number 3, we can also say, would you like a biscuit? If we only want to offer one piece. Now, number 5. Of course, here we should say, would you like a chocolate? Would you like a chocolate? Because here the chocolates are countable. So, we can use article A. Number 6. Of course, for number 6, we can say, would you like some cake? Would you like some cake? Cake here is an uncountable noun, so we have to use some. Now, students, I want you to review the exercises that we did today, and please answer them again on your own. Also, I would like to encourage you to enroll in camgush.com's classes because we can definitely help you improve your English skills. Now, this is the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something. This is Teacher Jen from camgush.com saying goodbye. See you on our next video. Goodbye.